Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to find someone you unblocked on Instagram. So to find someone you recently unblocked on Instagram, you could follow these steps. So first thing first, what you're going to do is open up your Instagram application and log in. So once you logged into your account, then you could tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your home screen. Next, what you need to do is here, you could tap on the menu bar at the top right corner of your screen and you could just scroll down to the privacy section, or you could just go to the blocked section. Then you could click on the blocked button. There you could see the people that you've blocked. So these are the persons that you've blocked on this page. Now what you need to do is find the person you unblocked and tap the unblocked button next to their name. Now for example, if I want to unblock this particular user, let's say this is the one, you could then go ahead and unblock just like that, confirm it so, and that's going to help you out to fix. However, this is not the case. So you could go ahead and unblock, and that way you'll be able to know that you've unblocked on Instagram. And if you want to find them, you could also use the search engine, or you could use the search bar tool feature in order to locate the name, and they should be available on your feed. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.